case in chief against former Penn State President Graham Spanier opened here at Dauphin County Courthouse today. We first had opening arguments today in which prosecutors laid out their case that senior leaders at Penn State knew about abuse by Jerry Sandusky in 2001, failed to report it, and as a result, Sandusky had free rein to prey on other kids for another 7 years until his abuses came to light through another complaint. The defense countered with a very concise opening argument that said, hey look, don't participate in an effort by the Attorney General's office to criminalize a judgment call by Graham Spanier. He was the president of a very large university who took concrete steps to try to deal with a very bad situation. The defense is asking the juries to say, don't let this be a referendum on whether Graham Spanier handled it perfectly, but just ask yourself, is what he did a criminal act? And what he did, they say, is he took steps to make sure that, Jerry wasn't supposed to be bringing kids onto campus anymore, and that the Second Mile, Sandusky's youth charity, was notified. So that's kind of the tension that we have here in this case. And this afternoon, there was a brisk string of 8 witnesses, many of whom have been heard from before. This trial may really pivot in the days ahead on testimony from former Penn State administrators Gary Schultz and Tim Curley, both of whom were co-defendants with Spanier at the beginning of this case, but who entered plea agreements last week and now are likely to be prosecution witnesses. So that's a quick summation of the first day of the case in chief here.